Go ahead.
Alright, so volumes of revolution. What is volume of revolution? So the chapter right beforehand, we learned about area and how to find area between a curve and two curves. Well, volumes of revolution is when you take an axis of any line and you revolve your area around that. So first we need to get an area. And our area is going to be y equals x and y equals 2. Alright? Of course they're going to meet at 2, but the area between them is right here. And if we know how to do that, we find that with 0, 2, 2 of the top line being y equals 2 minus the bottom line, which is y 2 minus x dx. We know, and when we do that all, we get 2x minus 1/2 x squared equals 4 minus 2, and we get 2. So this area is 2. But what happens if I tell you that we want to revolve this around the x-axis like this? And if my hand was the plane, I would be revolving it around like that to make a shape. That's where volumes come in, and volumes are part of three-dimensional objects only. So the way you do that is you need to figure out, again, this is, if you figure out if you're going around it, you're going to go around in a circle. And if this is your pi, your r is equal to 2 minus x. That's what it is from 0 to 2. And so you want to get the area of each circle and add them all up to get your volume. So it'll be pi r squared, which is the area of something. So pi r squared, and if you remember one of the rules that I taught you before, pi is a constant, so you can take it on the outside. So we have this, put pi on the outside from 0 to 2, and we want to revolve around the x-axis. So you do top minus bottom again. Instead, but this time it's like this, but multiplying it by pi. So 2 minus x. But actually, there's something new you need to do. It's the r squared. So you need to do the top line squared minus the bottom line squared. So 2 squared minus x squared dx, which in turn equals pi 4 minus 4x minus 1/3 x cubed. And that from 2 to 0. Plug in 2, you get 8 minus 8/3 over pi, and that pi times 8 minus 8/3 is equal to the volume of the revolution. If you wanted to do it to the line x equals 3, you would have to do this is now it, and top is now the y equals x, and the bottom now is y equals 2. That's the simplistics of volumes of revolution, and how you just multiply it by pi and you square the 2. If you want to do it to the y-axis, you're going to have to make things an equal to y, and then you're going to have to do the same thing you did now, but now right to left, squared. That's all there is really to volumes of revolution. Next you'll be learning about finding the area of these if they were certain shapes, and they became shapes. So good luck on your AP exam.